Forecasters have warned of a severe blizzard moving through the Sierra Nevada region with high-intensity winds, large snowfall amounts, and periods of whiteout conditions with zero visibility. The National Weather Service in Reno has issued a blizzard warning for a 300-mile stretch of the Sierra from Thursday through Sunday. Areas around Lake Tahoe may experience up to 2 or 4 feet of snow, while higher elevations could see between 5–10 feet of snow. Life-threatening conditions are expected with winds gusting up to 70 mph and up to 100 mph at ridge tops. Traveling is not advised during the warning, and an avalanche watch has also been issued for the central Sierra Nevada mountains. Extreme avalanche danger may occur due to large amounts of snowfall and high winds. It is urged to avoid traveling in, near, or below backcountry avalanche terrain.